Hello guys, it's first day of April and I decided to imagine how April would look like if it was a young lady. In our region we have cold and long winter, and in April nature is usually waking up after a long time of sleeping. Trees have their buds swelling and fresh green grass appears and start growing fast. I imagine April to be a lady with pale face and long fair hair. I would like to draw her wearing a chiffon dress of cold dark blue color, maybe with some green on it. I also want her holding a bird in her hands. It will be a jaybird. In April these birds usually sing their beautiful songs and making nests in our region. I didn't remember how exactly jaybird looked like and what colors does it have, so I just found a photo of it on the net and used it as a reference. Hands is the most difficult part of sketching for me. I even took a picture of me holding a teacup for better understanding how hands have to look like in this position. I decided to draw an old wooden house on the background that had an atmosphere of traditional Russian village. I use a tape to protect the edges from color splashes and make a white frame around the painting. Time to start watercoloring this drawing. I will use new brushes that I bought on AliExpress and my old watercolor paints that I bought about 10 years ago with Saint Petersburg's Neva Palette called White Nights. There will be green grass with red and yellow tiny flowers on it. The sky will be still look cold but clean. I use a big brush to fill large spaces with color. I mixed some blue, red and yellow to create a skin tone for the parts of her face that are in shadow. Don't worry if it looks too dark at first glance. When it dries, it will lighten up. I mixed in a darker tone to paint the part that will have deeper shadows around her face. The color of dress is something dark, between grey and blue. I want lady have green eyes as her great desire to bring bright colors back to nature. I use the smallest brush I have to get the facial features right. If I make any irreparable mistakes, I usually use white gouache to correct the situation. I will draw her wearing kokoshnik. It's a traditional part of Russian costume. It will be decorated with red and yellow flowers. With a small brush, I imitate golden lace on a woman's dress. Making a deeper color on the dress. I spend a lot of time on small details. I like working with miniatures. It's much more convenient to work on small canvas. Large ones scare me very much. I cannot force myself to draw on paper larger than A5 size. There will be some trees on background, but they will have no leaves yet. Adding some red details on the lace, like tiny flowers. Time to pay attention to a jaybird. I found a picture of it and tried to repeat its colors from photo. Adding some highlights on hands and some shadows. I'm not very happy with how hands look like, but I will let it be. Working on the details of the old barn in the background, I remember how great and peaceful it was to live in my grandmother's village during the summer holidays as a child. Almost at the end of the work, I realized that it would be nice to add some lace details that hang down. This is where I will finish my drawing. I'm very curious to see your interpretation of what April would look like if it was a human. I will add a post with this drawing to my Instagram. Feel free to tag me under your drawings. And thank you for watching this video.